The Polygel is a hybrid of acrylic and hard gel. It lets you have long, strong, perfectly shaped nails at your own home without going to salons. The Polygel Nail Kit is perfect kit for beginners that save you the hassle and cost of buying separate accessories. So we came up with 5 best Polygel kits that are perfect for the learners. Let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The Astound Beauty Polygel Nail Kit contains everything you need to build beautiful polygel nails without spending too much at salons. The kit includes 6 beautiful shades ranging from white and baby pink to nude and even a heat-reacting color change polygel. It also comes with base coat, top coat, brush, nail file, 100 pieces of dual forms, slip solution, and LED lamp. This easy-to-use kit will let you create elegant looks for different occasions and trending nails. The best part of this kit, it comes with LED lamp that cures your nails within seconds. The Astound Beauty Polygel Nail Kit is available on Amazon with thousands of positive reviews and ratings. After going through several reviews, the users are very satisfied with this kit, as it comes with an LED lamp as well, which most of the kits do not include with such an affordable price. Though some users complain the dual forms are not that good. Time to check out the ratings. The Saviland Poly Nail Gel Kit is our next favorite kit that gives you nail glitter's shimmery and shiny effect. If you are in love with glitters, this Polygel Nail Kit is the one for you. The kit is consisting of 7 different colored poly nail gels, base coat, top coat, brush, spatula, 24 pieces dual nail forms, and slip solution. The polygel nails are made of non-toxics and harmless ingredients. It has a minimal smell, color resistant, shiny resistant, and lasts for around 2 to 3 weeks with proper application. The best part of this kit, it is 100% vegan. The Saviland Poly Nail Gel Kit is available on Amazon with hundreds of positive reviews and ratings. The reviews say it all. Its beautiful colors are loved by everybody. It comes with everything that is needed with a decent price. The kit is eco-friendly and has no smell, but some users were disappointed with the kit. Let's check out the ratings for the Polygel Nail Kit. The Gershion Poly Nail Gel Kit is another popular polygel kit and has everything you need for designing your nails. Its unique formula ensures that you achieve the highest standards of quality. It comes with large tubes of polygel in 6 colors and has beautiful colors range from translucent to bean red. The gel isn't too liquidy or overly thick. It has the right consistency for easy application for beginners. The kit also includes base and top coats, a nail file, a brush, and 60 pieces of dual forms. It lasts up to a month if proper nail prep is done, like filing, cleaning, and buffering. The best part of this nail extension is that it dries quickly and it's also lighter compared to UV builder gel and acrylic gel. The Gershion Poly Nail Gel Kit is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. After going through the reviews, this highly preferred Polygel Nail Kit is super easy to use. It comes with everything you need for a salon-perfect nail. Though according to some reviews, it isn't great for beginners. It's time to rate this Polygel Nail Kit. If you are a beginner and looking for salon-perfect nails at home, the Makartt Poly Nail Extension Gel Kit is the right choice for you. The kit comes with 6 different natural shades of polygel, 60 dual forms base coat, top coat spatula, brush, and nail file. The polygel is thick and light. That looks natural with fantastic neatness and length. And the nail extensions last a long time with proper nail preparation. This easy-to-use polygel nail kit lets you create various simple to decorative nails designs at home. It requires an UV LED lamp to cure polygel, but it is not included in the kit. The Makartt Poly Nail Extensions Gel Kit is the most reviewed polygel nail kit on Amazon and has earned thousands of reviews and ratings. According to the reviews, this polygel nail kit is beginner-friendly and affordable. It is easy to use and stays for a long time, though some users complained it damages the nails. It's time to rate this polygel nail kit. The Modelones Poly Nail Gel Kit comes with everything you need to start doing your nails. It provides you high-quality salon-grade nails at home. The set comes with 6 different shades of polygel nails, 1 base coat and 1 top coat, 120 pieces cured dual forms, 36 pieces straight dual forms, slip solutions, nail brush, glitter dust, glitter diamond, file, and nail brush. The Poly Nail Gel is long-lasting and only needs to apply a thin layer of gel. The base coat and top coat helps to protect your nails and make the gel long-lasting. The slip solution helps you to smoothen the nail extensions. The glitters and diamonds let you design on your own. This easy-to-use polygel nail kit comes with proper instruction that has detailed process for beginners. The polygel needs to cure by a UV LED lamp, which is not included in the kit. And it comes in a great price, which is great for beginners. The Modelones Poly Nail Gel Kit is one of the popular polygels nail kits on Amazon that earned a huge number of reviews and ratings. According to the reviews from users, this highly recommended polygel kit is a must-have for beginners. It is also easy to work with and comes with everything you need. But besides all the positive reviews, some users complain it doesn't work well, especially for small hands. Let's check out the ratings for the polygel nail kit. So these are our top picks polygel nail kits. We have selected all these products based on users' responses and recommendations. Outcomes and experiences may vary from one person to another.